Hey everybody, look where we camp. At a building in Bedford, Ohio. Why are we here, hon? Where are we, first of all?
Well, I don't know.
TJI Trailer Sales and Service. Why are we here?
Because our rear axle is bowed.
Yes.
And Jayco axles are 8 weeks out, which is not going to work for us because we have a big trip coming up. So here we are.
Well, it's not Jayco's axle, but it's whoever their axles are.
Whatever, we can't get it for 8 weeks.
We have a trip on the 23rd of July, and our dealer, Hartville RV, told us that it's going to be 8 weeks before we can get an axle, but there's a place in Bedford, Ohio that makes their own axles, and they maybe could get you done within 10 days. So I called the good people here at JTI, and they were like, heck yeah, bring it up. So here we are on the 4th of July, dropping off the camper, and hopefully this thing will be done and back way before the 23rd of July. Let's go look at that axle. We first noticed this when we went to Georgia with the Fitches and Chuck and Allie from Allie Chuck Adventures. Chuck was driving behind me and he said, I think your rear tires are towed out a little bit. And I looked at it and I was like, man, everything's fine. So this could possibly have been bent since last October. But now it's just getting worse. You can definitely see it. Let's see if I can. Yeah, I don't know if you can really tell, but when you get back far enough, you can see that rear axle is bowed down, and that makes the tires kind of toe out at the bottom. So the RV industry, shame on you guys. This trailer weighs 7,400 pounds, and you have 3,500 pound axles on here. Why do that? I know you're minusing the tongue weight, and that's what gets you in the numbers, but look how many people have been having to change axles and broken axles. It's ridiculous. The amount of money we pay for these things. Shame on you, RV industry. Bigger axles. So we're either going to have them put back on a 3,500 because they don't want to put a 3,500 on and a 5,000. Or we're going to call and find out how much it would be for both. Just replace them to 5,000. That'd be way overkill. But whatever. We're going to keep this trailer for a while. So anyways, we'll keep you updated on the axle issue with the White Hawk. Happy 4th of July.